iPhone 14 Pro. Easily the maximum vital wonder of the day is the truth that iPhone 14 Pro getting a $100 rate increase. Instead, it may fee $999. That's very mind-blowing considering the 4nm A16 Bionic chipset that powers each telephone and fast digital camera enhancements, together with the 48-megapixel #1 shooter. The notch is also replaced with the aid of using a cutout named Dynamic Island that carries animations and notifications. Before we begin with the video, just make certain that you like and sign on to our channel. Turn on bell notification on so that you'll in no way leave out any of our loopy updates. Pro Display XDR-like specifications comes to the Pro monitors with the Super Retina XDR display. The new digital camera notch on the season expands and contracts to accommodate notifications and fax, which you may engage with, referred to as the Dynamic Island. Better brightness control and refresh rate variety are available to manipulate battery lifestyles and keep the contemporary always-on display from being too draining. The iPhone 14 Pro is a 6.1-inch smartphone compared to the iPhone 13 Pro models. The iPhone 14 Pro is a chunk differently sized. iPhone 14 Pro measures 5.81 inches tall, 2.81 inches wide, and 0.31 inches thick. The new 4nm A16 Bionic chip is faster and calls for reduced energy than the A15. A new display engine, its speeds show rendering, and the up-to-date pictures sign processing provide similar boosts in photography best to the lower deliver-up models. Typical max brightness is 1000 nit. However, 1600 nits high brightness is supported for HDR, and the show is a lot brighter than the iPhone 13 Pro display. The iPhone 14 Pro has updated low-strength show backlighting and supports ProMotion refresh fees, just like the iPhone 13 Pro models. When it comes to the chassis, the iPhone 14 Pro is almost the same as the iPhone 13 Pro models with an all-glass front and a textured matte glass again that sandwich a body crafted from surgical-grade chrome steel. The shade of the stainless steel frame fits the color of the glass on the back of a streamlined appearance. Apple's iPhone 14 Pro weighs 7.27 ounces or 206 grams. The 6.1-inch iPhone 14 Pro features a resolution of 2556 x 1179 with 460 pixels according to inches. Apple blends Dynamic Island into the display with the aid of using it to provide at-a-glance statistics approximately apps and offerings. The usage of a 48-megapixel sensors with assistance for pixel binding allows for higher sensitivity in low model capturing at 12 megapixel. There's a brand new 2x telephoto placing a 48mm mode, plus help for 48 megapixels in Pro RAW. The video additionally gets action mode and a 24 body in step with the second shooting. The iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max are available in silver, gold, space black, and deep purple. Both space black and deep purple are new colorings this 12 months, with deep purple replacing the Sierra blue color that turned to be had with the iPhone 13 Pro fashions. The iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max have an IP68 water-resistant rating. They are able to phase up liquid. It is really up to 6 meters deep for as much as 30 minutes, identical to the iPhone 13 Pro fashions. Prices begins at $999 for the Pro. Pre-order beginning September 9th. They have to be had on September 16th. Let's pay attention to your mind inside the observation segment. Follow us for more updates. Thank you for searching.